Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. This is going to be our first project. It's a 1995 Volvo 940. It's going to be getting a 7.3 Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. We're going to be fitting it with a compound turbo setup and a ZF 5-speed. I already have the motor pulled from an old Ford dump truck out of a 1993. We've got the engine already out of this vehicle. This whole video is going to be voiceovered because I'm learning still on YouTube and I did not have the microphone turned on. So bear with me as we get this project underway. This is just one of many of our builds. This first video we are going to be pulling the interior out and cutting the tunnel out. Let me go ahead and show you what the engine bay looks like. So we've gotten the old Volvo B230 single cam engine. It was originally automatic. We got most accessories stripped out. I've done a little bit of measuring and the engine will fit, but we've got to do some cutting to make it happen. So today we're going to be moving the interior and part of the dash. Let me move you around to the side here in a second. I've got a tripod I'll set you up on. Yeah, we're using the shop for the weekend. This is a 9 to 5 job, but I get to use the shop for stuff sometimes. So I'll set you up and I'll get to work on that. So here I'm starting to remove the interior dashboard and stuff. I got the seats removed. We're going to time lapse a lot of this, so enjoy. Here I'm cutting out the firewall. This is just a basic first rough cut. Also we'll be cutting the underside too. Here we're raising the car up so I can cut the tunnel out. So now we're under the car. Let me show you what we'll be cutting. If I cut right along this frame rail, I won't have to reconstruct the frame. That about wraps this up for this video. The next video will be prepping the engine to go into the car. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.